Hello. Today I'm going to speak about the challenges of becoming a firefighter. Now, I feel as if most preconceived notions of a firefighter are a fat, out of shape, lazy slob. However, I, being one of them, and I know many firefighters, and I figured that become a firefighter would not be that challenging of a task. Now, being in their shoes and going through the academy, I have come to the conclusion that it is a very, very difficult task. The amount of equipment that you're wearing all day long is very heavy, and it consists of 75 pounds of gear. So you're wearing a jacket, fire resistive jacket, fire resistive pants, fire resistive boots, gloves, a Nomex hood, a helmet that weighs, I believe, 10 pounds, an SCBA mask, which also connects to a oxygen cylinder that you wear on your back. It's actually like a backpack. So all the gear combined equates to 75 pounds. And, performing tasks such as raising ladders or climbing stairs or pulling hose lengths, to the average person with no equipment on is a pretty simple task. However, once you throw in the 75 pounds of gear, you find yourself to be having a pretty difficult time completing the task, especially while you're on air. Now, my first experience with the air, you're using compressed air to breathe. It was a bit challenging. I was a little uncomfortable at first, but you eventually get used to it. So the cylinder is a 30-minute tank, but while you're out there moving around, raising ladders, advancing hose lines into buildings, up several flights of stairs, it it's really technically not a 30-minute tank. The average person will use anywhere from 10, they'll be able to use it for anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. Now, you may think that that's kind of ridiculous, and you think, oh no, I'm in better shape than the average person. However, once you put it on, I thought the same thing myself. I should probably be able to get 20 minutes out of this, but I was actually only able to get about 18 or 19 minutes out of it. But it's just unlike anything I've ever experienced. They have you blindfolded the majority of the time because, unlike in the movies, it's you can't just walk into a building and see in front of your face. You'll actually, the smoke is so thick and so intense that you actually can't even see your hand in front of your own face, even with a flashlight or anything. It's thick black smoke, like smoke that you would see coming out of an oil rig if it were on fire. So when you're watching Backdraft or Chicago Fire or anything like that, it's not clear as day in any room that you enter. So they have us blindfolded to simulate being in a fire and being able to find our way around a room just by maintaining orientation on a wall, on a door, and understanding where windows and doors are so that if anything that is a danger to life happens to come in your way, you're able to find a quick path of egress. Now, these are just a few things that I've learned being in the fire academy, and I feel like it's a very interesting thing to share. I just can't believe the intensity of the actual class compared to what I originally conceived it actually being. And I just thought it would be something very interesting to share with the class, and I hope you guys enjoy.